We all know that your hardest critic are your kids, and when it comes to food, they can be quite hard to please. So I decided to put the play back into food. Today's play date with the cousins, so in the kitchen we go with Ital Pizza Minis, cheese and tomato. And there are 8 of them. We're making pizza pops. Hey, who threw the kebab sticks? Oh man, this is gonna be such a long day. That's the oldest cousin, Alex, and that's his dad, Marco, my brother. And this is little Gabby, and that's Gran. Yo. Whose idea was this again? All right, let's get started. To make these pizza pops, our main ingredients are all your leftovers in the fridge. So, leftover salad, salami, steamed broccoli, cheddar cheese, mozzarella, and little salamini bites. We're going to need 8 kebab sticks. All right, kids, fight for your honor. Okay, Dad isn't happy. Okay, calm, yes, we are calm. Is he always like this? Right, let's move these out of the way for now and bring out my 8 minis, please. And Gran is joining me to make your pops. Hello, Gran. Thanks for doing this. Okay, so let's remove all the cling wrap and let's make our assorted pops. Guys, there's no wrong here. Mix and match. Whatever you got, just place it on the pizza. This way you'll also get the kids to eat leftovers without them complaining. Not this again. Hey, we saw that. Let's go, Gran. Some leftover cheddar. Hey, we saw that. And now let's tear some mozzarella on the other 4. That's it. Okay. There, give me that piece. I'll eat it. Let's put broccoli florets on these 4. And Gran, you put tomatoes on the mozzarella from the leftover salad. Just shake off the dressing so that the minis don't get soggy. Nice one! Okay, now take your salaminis and slice into little circles and add to your 4 minis with the cheddar and the broccoli. There we go. The big salami slices we add to the other 4 minis once they come out of the oven. Right, and in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Gran, minis are ready. Ah, look at them, they look great. Nice one. Let's quickly add the cold salami to the minis with the leftover salad. That's it. Beautiful. Come along, kids. And let's finish off the pops. Thread the kebab stick through the center of the minis. Just like that. There we go. They look so cool and they taste very yummy. All right, give me 5, babies. You drive me crazy.